Welcome back. Today, as the country celebrates the National Doctors' Day and we honor the heroes in white, I just want to start with a reminder of how there have been doctors, who made supreme sacrifice in this war against coronavirus. 748 doctors, ladies and gentlemen, lost their lives in the first wave of the coronavirus, and 798 lost their lives in the second wave of coronavirus. More than 1,500 doctors so far have lost their lives since the time the pandemic began, and this huge challenge that they have taken upon themselves. This is the figure by the Indian Medical Association. I just want to, in fact, also now bring focus to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who led the country today to honor the doctors on the National Doctors' Day. Prime Minister Modi, in fact, spoke to many from the medical fraternity. Prime Minister, in his address, thanked the doctors to have been working tirelessly to save lakhs of people and lives amid the deadly pandemic. Prime Minister Narendra Modi compared doctors with gods and added, doctors have changed the course of our lives. Prime Minister mentioned the central government had allocated 15,000 crore rupees as a special fund to increase the health infrastructure in the country. He also thanked doctors and medical practitioners for promoting yoga and wellness.
आज जब देश कोरोना से इतनी बड़ी जंग लड़ रहा है, तो डॉक्टर्स ने दिन रात मेहनत करके लाखों लोगों का जीवन बचाया है। ये पुण्य कार्य करते हुए देश के कई डॉक्टर्स ने अपना जीवन भी न्यौछावर कर दिया। मैं जीवन आहूत करने वाले इन सभी डॉक्टर्स को अपनी विनम्र श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करता हूं और परिवार के प्रति अपनी संवेदना व्यक्त करता हूं। हमारी सरकार ने डॉक्टर्स के खिलाफ हिंसा को रोकने के लिए पिछले वर्ष ही कानून में कई कड़े प्रावधान किए हैं। इसके साथ ही हम अपने कोविड वॉरियर्स के लिए फ्री इंश्योरेंस कवर स्कीम भी लेकर आए हैं। आप पूरे अटेंशन के साथ ही अपने अनुभवों का डॉक्यूमेंटेशन भी करते रहें। पेशेंट के साथ आपके एक्सपीरियंसेस का डॉक्यूमेंटेशन बहुत ही अहम है। साथ ही मरीज के सिम्टम्स, ट्रीटमेंट प्लान और उनके रिस्पॉन्स का भी डिटेल डॉक्यूमेंटेशन होना चाहिए। यह एक रिसर्च स्टडी के रूप में भी हो सकता है, जिसमें विभिन्न प्रकार की दवाओं और ट्रीटमेंट्स के असर को नोट किया गया हो।
Well, let's now listen in to a few of the COVID warriors, those who have for the last, from 2020 March to now, have been tirelessly working to save lives.
साल से डॉक्टर जो हैं इस लड़ाई में लड़ रहे हैं और हमें अप्रिशिएट करना चाहिए कि उन्होंने कितना काम किया है। उन डॉक्टर्स को याद करना चाहिए जिन्होंने इस लड़ाई में अपनी जान दे दी, और उनको याद करते हुए हमें ये सोचना चाहिए कि हमें ऐसे सिचुएशन क्रिएट करनी कि आगे इतने ज़्यादा केसेस ना बढ़ें, चाहे कोविड अप्रोप्रिएट बिहेवियर हो, चाहे वैक्सीनेशन हो, उसको हम पूरी तरह से आगे लेके जाएं, जिससे हॉस्पिटल्स पे स्ट्रेन कम पड़े और एडमिशन्स कम हो और डॉक्टर्स पे स्ट्रेन कम पड़े।
We have seen so much suffering that we have never seen before in our lives. I just want you all to make sure that you have trust in your doctors and take care of the safety precautions and stay healthy and safe.
Really, COVID has really taxed our time, and I think we have been perturbed, but they want to deal with the COVID people with determination and dedication. COVID or no COVID, our dedication to the patients will remain the same. Thank you, my friends, and many, many happy returns for today's day.
We would have to wear the entire gear that is associated with the working in a COVID ward. So what used to happen was that entire kit, once you wear the entire kit and once you get into the COVID ward, within the first half an hour you're completely drenched top to bottom. Like there's nothing which is really spared. And then after that, for the next 6 hours, you're left basically marinating in your own sweat.
We know the protocol, we have seen the ICMR guideline, but in spite of giving all the things, we cannot save the patient. It's a very pathetic condition. Really, COVID is a dreadful disease, I will tell you.
I shudder to imagine what the doctors go through, when they're trying to save so many people. All right, with that, we're slipping to a very short break, ladies and gentlemen. On the other side, we'll get you some heroes. People, those who have gone beyond the call of their duty. Doctors, those who have made a huge difference in this fight against COVID-19.